Welcome to the 5th day of Khordad. Take a moment to settle into your space. Choose a position that feels steady and supported, sitting or lying down without interruption. If you are sitting, allow your body to lean into support. Let your spine feel upright but relaxed. Let your hands rest easily. There is nothing to fix today, only a space to become clear. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. We will begin with a slow, counted breathing. I will count for you. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe slowly out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold again, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last time. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out slowly, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Let it find its own balance. If thoughts arise, allow them to be seen clearly without pulling them closer and without pushing them away. Return to the breath. Let simplicity organize itself. Now gently bring your awareness back. Without moving the body, feel the space around the throat, the neck, their jaws. Today is the day of Khordad, the day of wholeness, of completion, and of flow. In the shaman's path, wholeness comes when nothing is held back. Feel the breath passing freely through the throat, like wind through an open forest. No effort, no correction. Now, when you're ready, we will repeat the mantra together. If you can, say it softly. If not, simply listen. Let the sound open space. Let the space restore balance. Today, I allow truth to move through me. I release what I have been holding back. Like the breath that knows its own rhythm, I trust my expression. I do not force my voice. I do not silence it. What needs to be spoken, find its moment. What needs to remain quiet, stays untouched. I am whole when I let energy move freely. Now, slowly and gently, begin to open your eyes. Carry this sense of flow with you as you return to your day. Today, my state is calm.